the property has hidden potential. Let's talk about the thrill of uncovering a hidden gem. Some properties might not grab your attention at first glance. They might look a little outdated or need a bit of TLC, but what if I told you these could be the best investments out there? A property with hidden potential is like a diamond in the rough, waiting for someone with vision to unlock its true value. When you walk into a place and start imagining how a fresh coat of paint, a few upgrades, or even some landscaping could transform it, you know you've found something special. Hidden potential often comes in the form of underutilized spaces or features that aren't immediately obvious. Think about an unfinished basement that could become a cozy living area, or a backyard that just needs a little creativity to turn into an outdoor oasis. Even small changes like modernizing the kitchen or updating the flooring can drastically improve both the look and the value of a home. The beauty of hidden potential is that you get to take an ordinary property and make it extraordinary. And that process can pay off big time when it comes to resale. One of the best parts about spotting potential is that it often comes with a lower price tag. Properties that need work are typically priced below market value, giving you room to invest in renovations and still come out ahead. But here's the key. It's all about knowing where to spend. Focus on high-impact upgrades like the kitchen, bathrooms, or energy-efficient features. These improvements don't just make your home more comfortable, they also make it more attractive to future buyers. It's like putting your personal stamp on a property while building equity at the same time. So how do you spot hidden potential? Look beyond the surface. Pay attention to the layout, the bones of the house, and the neighborhood. Does it have good natural light, a functional flow, or a location that makes it worth the effort? If you can see the possibilities that others might overlook, you're already ahead of the game. A property with hidden potential isn't just a place to live, it's a canvas for your creativity and a chance to turn your vision into a reality, with financial rewards waiting at the end of the journey.